guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Kmart haul for you guys. I know you love them. I know you've been waiting for it. So I spent around $350 to $400 at Kmart this time. So let's get into everything I got. Okay, so the first thing I have here is this black top. It's a knitted fabric, but it's quite thin and it has these flared sleeves. This one was $12 and I got it in a size 12. I actually love this. So yeah, this is how it fits. I love the sleeves. The fabric is like a little bit stiff, so they're not like gonna fly into things, you know what I mean? And they're a good length. I hate it when you have these bell sleeves on and they just like dip into everything. And they cover your hand. I don't feel like these are gonna do that. So it's a good length to wear with jeans. I just have leggings on at the minute, don't mind them. But yeah, the neckline is quite nice as well. It comes up a little bit higher. The fabric is really, really nice. For $12, this is a bargain. Like, this is actually so nice. This does have some ruching on the elbow there. I love this top, it's gorgeous. This I definitely needed this week. It was so cold here. I got a beanie. Now I just got this cream colored one and I just got it to kind of wear like this. I love pulling my beanies down like this because it keeps me so warm. So that's how I kind of plan to wear this. I don't know if you could like, I don't know. I just wear it when I walk from my car to work in the morning kind of thing. I wouldn't normally wear it on the weekend, but it's just so cold in the mornings. Oh great, now I've got hat hair. This one was also $12 and it is a merino wool, which is cool. Okay, do you guys remember from my previous Kmart haul, I got these slippers? I think they were $6. Well, I've been wearing them. But I also got these slipper boot things because I just need my ankles covered. These are fine, but yeah, I can't wait to slip into these. These ones were $10. They're made of the same kind of thing, and these slippers are so cute, the ones that I've got on now, but these will be just that bit warmer. Okay, so I got this jacket thing. What is this called? Cardigan. Oh, it's a cardigan, that's right. How much is this? This one was $35 and it's in, I don't know if the sleeves is gonna work with this. Yeah, the sleeves aren't really gonna work with this, but I think with like, maybe like a white, one of these in white would be nice. But with like a white tee and some jeans or something, this would look really, really cute. I just don't have the right top on and it feels weird with all these sleeves. So that's how long it is. It is actually really thick and quite warm, which is obviously what you want. The sleeves are a little bit long. You could probably roll them up, but it feels so nice and warm and thick. It doesn't, like I have quite a large bust, and I assume that this is a 12, has pockets, which is awesome. But yeah, it doesn't go over, like you can, it's got stretch to it, but it doesn't like go over the bust. Like it's meant to sit open like this. Oh, this one's a size 10 to 12. So I could have gone up and got the other size, but then I think the arms might have been a bit too big. So yeah, it did come in another color as well, but that one is, yeah, that's really nice. I picked up this basic V-neck knit. So this one was $10. Okay, so this is how the 14 to 16 fit. I like them being like a little bit loose. I think the next size down would have been the 10 to 12. So I much prefer this size. I have a feeling it might shrink in the wash a little bit. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It fits really, really nicely. I love the fact that it has a V-neck. I would actually go back and get a few of these because I can't find too many tops that have a V-neck this season for some reason. V-necks are definitely the most flattering on my body shape and size. A few things I picked up because I saw Nakia bought them in her Kmart haul. These candles were $5 on clearance, so I got two. They actually smell pretty good, but I figured that they're going to last a long time. They're in the scent Dark Rose, and I just like that they're nice and simple as well. But yeah, I picked up two of these. I got this puffer jacket. I love this color. It is so beautiful. Now, I got a size 14. This was $35. I don't have one of these like puffer jackets, so I thought it was time for me to get one. A little bit longer. Now, I did try this one on because I thought I better get a size 14, and I'm so glad I tried it on because like it is actually like quite fitted. Like if I had another layer on there, I wouldn't be able to move my arms. I definitely recommend going up a size in this one, but I love the color. It's so pretty, and this will be so nice and warm. It does have a hood with some fur. But yeah, how pretty is the color? I think that they did have a few other colors as well. Yeah, but it has little pockets there with the zips, which is cool. I picked up this khaki dress for $20. It has 3/4 sleeves and elastic waistband. This is in a size 12, so let's try it on. Okay, so here's this one. It is actually quite a bit fitted in the bust, like a bit tight, but the rest of it fits really nice elsewhere. This is a really, really nice fitting dress. I like the fact that it has longer sleeves, and the shirt style I feel looks really flattering. I do kind of wish that this was a little bit different, like maybe it had a V-neck or something like that. But yeah, this is actually so cute. I do have another dress, and this was just like by itself randomly. This dress looks so nice. I know I've been eating bad this week, so I don't know if it's going to be that flattering on me, but I got the size 14. That was the last one there, and it was $15. I've seen a similar dress like this in Forever New. It wasn't $15. Let me tell you that for free. Okay, so here is the dress on. It's actually a little bit big. I really, really love the neckline. I think that that's gorgeous. And I don't know about the bottom bit because it's kind of like flappy, you know what I mean? But I really do like the dress. I feel like if it were maybe a size, yeah, the size 12 would have fit better, but they didn't have a size 12, so yeah, and only $15. Like, I mean, it's really cute. It is see-through, like you can see my black knickers underneath it. But if you're wearing like leggings, like tights with it, it probably wouldn't matter. Back to the practical. Bed socks. These ones I picked up were, I think they're around $5 or something. They've got the little grips on the bottom. I actually struggle with bed socks because my feet are so small. I wish I could buy kids bed socks, but I don't think that they make them because I looked for them. They didn't have them, so, oh my God, they're so soft. Oh, these ones are good. These like stick up. See how like the heel comes like up here on me? It's so bad, but yeah, they're not too bad. I got some PJs. These are so cute. Look, they have cats on them. So these are the bottoms, $10, and then this is the top. It just says catnap on the fabric, and this one was $10 too. I love these. I freaking love them. I love that they have pockets. They're made up of like a waffle kind of material. So yeah, I'm just gonna be wearing these. Like, these are so good. I got 2 pairs of track pants. Now I have been living in the low crotch drop ones, or whatever they're called. I just pull them up and make them high-waisted, and they've been amazing and so warm compared to leggings. I usually wear leggings and they're just not cutting it. So I picked up 2 other pairs of track pants. Now these are their basic ones that I found in their athletic department. $8, just basic black ones. They're nothing fancy. They've got some pockets. And then I also picked up these ones. Now these are grey. They've got like a little cuff there, which is cool. They don't have pockets and they're a bit thinner, but they're thicker than leggings. So I'll try both of these on. The fleece. Okay, so here's the just like standard ones from the athletic department. These are like really, really comfy. Like, they're just fleecy, they're comfy. I can lounge around the house. I wish that they were high-waisted a bit, but that's okay. They're not like super low or anything, so they sit over my love handles. But yeah, for $8, go back and get me 5. Okay, so these are really offensive for me to show on camera because they're so tight. These are not flattering whatsoever. You definitely need them in a black. Even then, I don't know. They're not very high at all. Like, They actually sit quite low, which I'm not a fan of. So probably wouldn't recommend these ones. I got this jumper, which looks really, really cute. Now this one, size 10 to 12, 18 bucks. Okay, so here's this one. This fits really, really nice as well. But yeah, like it comes down lower at the back and it has like a little slit there. This one's really, really nice. I love the color of it. It did come in a few different colors as well. But yeah, so nice. Then I picked up this jumper here. Now this one has like frilly sleeves as well, which is really cute. 20 bucks. It's a nice chunky knit. It's not as chunky as this one though. It's a little bit thinner. Now this one I got in a size 14 to 16. I could probably get a smaller size. I don't know, it depends what I want to wear it with, but I feel like it's a little bit big. So I might exchange this one for a smaller size if anything, and then the sleeves might be okay. This is what I mean with the sleeves. Like this one comes down over my hands. So it's, you know, I'm not a fan of this one. Maybe if we were a different size. I got a keto cookbook. I was so happy to see this there. So this will help me, you know, experiment with some ideas and stuff. And I think that this was only like 10, 15 bucks or something like that. And it actually looks really, really nice. It's got some really easy recipes in there. And it's got everything like, you know, breakfast to lunch, dinner, dessert. So cannot wait to start trying this one out. Who else watched Nikia's haul and then went out and got one of these and some of these? So this is a canister, like a kitchen canister. Take off the lid, chuck in your flowers, and Bob's your uncle. Oh, why would I even say that? This looks gorgeous. Gorge, Kmart. Flowers are $5 each. I think the canister was like $3 or $5. I do wish that the flowers weren't so yellow, but what are you gonna do? I got these for Rachel. I watched her vlog where she was trying to get a size 6, and I messaged her and I'm like, do you have them yet? Because I can look in my Kmart, and I picked them up for it. So they're just white platform shoes. They were $8. So I'll have to give these to you soon, Rach. I got these little mitten things. These were $5 and they're like that, it's that beautiful soft, what's the fabric called? Chanel. And they've just got like a little hole for your thumb, and then you can just like sneak them in there a little bit. But I just needed some gloves, and gloves, because I have such small hands, they never fit me. They're always too big. So I just picked up a pair of these, and these are so cute. The color is gorge. So yeah, there's those ones. I also saw Nikia get some of these. I think she just got the regular pillowcases. I got some Europeans because I have some spare European pillows, and I thought that I could put these on the couch. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm just gonna try it and see what it looks like. It might be like too big or too much. I really love the fabric, like the velvet look of them. It looks so luxe, but they were really affordable. They were $7 each. But yeah, I thought that they'd look nice on my couch, and they'll be super comfy as well. I've been watching Love Island on the couch, and the couch that we've got is from Freedom, and it's not the best quality. So the cushions are just getting like damaged, and I keep swapping them around. And I thought that it would help to have some European pillows on the couch to help prop me up. I got another one of these. These are the best. These are bomb.com. So this is a size 12. I don't have anything on underneath. Sorry if you just saw camel toe. But yeah, these are amazing. I saw this color and I thought it was so pretty. I've been wearing the absolute crap out of mine. So I picked up this color as well, just because I wanted another one, and they were so cheap. I think they're like $12 or something like that. These are the best. These are amazing. Like, so comfy, and they're like fleecy and warm. Speaking of fleecy and warm, this fleece blanket, and it's a blush color. I just got this for on the couch because, as I said, it's freezing and this is like nice and thick. My friend Shanae actually got the green one. I saw the blush one and I'm like, gotta have it. And this one is just going to go on my couch. I picked up this mirror serving tray. I don't know why. I saw one for ages and I thought it was this one, but this is like really massive. Obviously it's a serving tray, but this is just what it looks like. Now mine has a bit of a bow in it, which is a bit disappointing. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know why I got it. Man, I swear Kmart just takes over your brain when you're in there because you just can't concentrate and you're like, I need this, I need this, I need this, I need this. Everything, like it's so bad. I have 2 tops left and they are the same because I bought one in pink and I really, really love it. So I thought that I would get in the other colors because they were on clearance for $5. So they're a long sleeve, Bardo, like off the shoulder top. So they just sit off the shoulder. They are really annoying, but I really like them for like filming or, you know, an outfit of the day or something like that. And so I picked up both of these. I'll try one on for you. Please don't mind the fact that I have a normal bra on, but this is what it looks like. If I can get these lines kind of straight. I don't know, this one probably wasn't the best one to try on because I'm probably going to spend an hour fiddling with it with the lines. It's just like, it's quite fitted and then yeah, off the shoulder. So the only thing is it is really restrictive, like you cannot move around. If you do, then it just goes up like this. Okay, so that is the end of my Kmart haul. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and let me know what you've picked up from Kmart that I need in my life. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye.